प्रादेशिक आराखडा 2021 वर सूचना नोंदवण्याचा मंगळवार हा शेवटचा दिवस होता। या आराखड्याबाबत राज्यभरातून नाराजीचा सूर व्यक्त करण्यात येतोय। सूचना नोंदवण्याच्या शेवटच्या दिवशी खुद्द सत्ताधारी पक्षाचे आमदार यांना आराखडा सदोष असल्याचा साक्षात्कार झाला। पर्रा भागातील बऱ्याचसा शेतजमीन लागवडीखालील भाग हा विकास कार्यासाठी उपलब्ध असल्याची नोंद करण्यात आल्यानं आमदार लोबो यांनी तीव्र नापसंती व्यक्त केली आहे। देर आहे मात्र दुरुस्त आलेल्या आमदारांच्या या भूमिकेनं प्रादेशिक आराखडा 2021 बाबत प्रश्नचिन्ह निर्माण होतोय।
Here, this is settlement zone. As there is a building over here, Parra Tower. This is Parra Tower. This is the circle, and all these paddy fields are shown as settlement. So this is either a deliberate error or done intentionally, or it is a mistake. Now there is a suggestion and objection which was given by the village panchayat earlier, the old body, you can say, in the year 2011, beginning of 2011. The earlier body of the village panchayat had given suggestion and objection, but there were intentional errors, intentional deliberate mistakes which were done in the regional plan of 2021, which the ex-chief minister of Goa has kept it on hold because of these deliberate errors. And till today it is on hold. From the year 2012, from the time our government came to power, till 2015 and it is on hold, because lot of agricultural fields were converted into settlement zone. To see how much more area is converted into settlement zone from agricultural zone. This needs to be identified, and village panchayat needs to submit back to the government that which are the paddy fields which are converted. So they have to convert back into agricultural zone, which were wrongly put as settlement zone.
So we need time.
We need more time. I am writing today letter to the government to ask 1 month more time. 30 days time should be given to all the village panchayats to write suggestions, objections, send their plans. If some panchayats can make their plan back again how it was earlier in 2011 with little modifications which were not there earlier reflected in the plan. Show all the playgrounds. Certain village panchayats have not shown playgrounds, recreational facilities. Like when a village grows, there is no recreational facilities like a park, a jogger's track, a playground, a small little recreational facilities for the elderly and as well as the youth, gymnasiums where they are proposing to build. These are all people's facilities which need to be shown on the regional plan. Otherwise that area will be built by the owner of the land. As and when the land acquisition process starts, the government can do land acquire and give the panchayat or give it to any department like sports authority to develop all these areas. Otherwise, if it is not reflected on regional plan, then you can't do it. So all these things which are in the interest of the villagers, which are in the interest of the people of Goa, should come on the regional plan. Kani aning time magcho, माझे कलंगूट constituency आणि पार्रा हरपरा नागवा village plus other villages surrounding ह्या लोकांच्या इथूनसून हांव गव्हर्मेंटाकडे अपील करता आणि आयज हांव लेटरूय बरयता to the Honorable Chief Minister and to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, who is the Town and Country Planning Minister, that 1 month time should be given more to the people, and this should not be seen by the general public. लोक आयज कितें पळयता, इलेक्शन लागीं पावले सर प्लॅन भायर येता, अशें लोकांनी पळोवचें न्हू. आनी सरकारानूय कितलोय टायम जावं न्ही, पूण बरो प्लॅन हाडया.